This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Make sure your iPad is charged online and running a recent iPad OS so Siri works reliably. Once ready, open Settings and scroll to Siri and search. You do this now because the Siri options live there. Enabling them is the first actionable step. Make sure your microphone isn't blocked because voice input must be clear. Next, you'll enable the listening and button options so Siri responds hands-free or with a press. You toggle on Listen for Hey Siri and confirm when prompted because Voice Wake requires a brief training sequence. Follow the prompts to teach Siri your voice. Then toggle Press Home/Top button for Siri if you prefer pressing a button. That gives you a reliable backup method. Make sure Allow Siri when locked matches your privacy preference so Siri can respond from the lock screen if you want. Once done, the system finalizes settings and enables both activation. You finish by testing both methods. Say Hey Siri and listen for the chime, then press the Home or Top button and speak a command. If Siri doesn't respond, make sure the microphone is unobstructed, the iPad language matches your spoken language, and screen time restrictions aren't blocking Siri. If problems persist, restart the iPad and rerun the Hey Siri setup. As a last resort, toggle Siri off and back on in settings to reset its configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.